Hey everyone, so you're looking to cancel your Metro by T-Mobile service. That's totally fine. But before we dive into the how, let's clarify your options. You have two main choices: porting out your number to a new carrier or completely closing your account. Porting out means you're taking your existing phone number with you to another provider like Verizon or AT&T. This is the option you'll choose if you want to keep your current number. Closing your account means you're terminating your Metro by T-Mobile service and you're not keeping the phone number associated with it. Think of it like this. Porting out is like moving houses, but keeping your phone number, while closing the account is like disconnecting your landline altogether. If you're unsure, consider whether you want to keep your number. That's the key deciding factor. All right, let's get down to the specifics. First, if you're porting out your number, start the process with your new carrier. They'll need some information from you, including your Metro by T-Mobile account number and a port out PIN. You can get this PIN either through the My T-Mobile app or by calling Metro customer service at 1-800-937-8997. Once the port is initiated, Metro by T-Mobile will automatically cancel your service once the transfer is complete, usually within 1 to 2 business days. Now, if you aren't keeping your number, you can cancel directly through the My T-Mobile app or website. Navigate to Account, then Manage Services, and finally Cancel Service. Alternatively, call customer service or visit a store. Remember to settle any outstanding balances, including device payments, to avoid issues. Key takeaway: if porting, start with your new provider. If just canceling, use the app or call customer service. Also note that the cancellation is effective immediately, so keep that in mind if you decide to cancel mid-cycle.